Are you tired of getting backlinks and traffic to your website? Then you better know what social bookmarking can do for you. With social bookmarking, you can gain more traffic to your websites. You can get more backlinks so you can rank higher in the search engines. You can get your website indexed faster by search engines. However, submitting your websites manually to social bookmarking sites is extremely time-consuming. Introducing Bookmarking Demon. With Bookmarking Demon, you can bookmark to 100+ social bookmarking sites. Add unlimited number of Scuttle, Scuttle Plus, Plig, and PHP Doug sites. Create randomized account usernames. Bookmark to random accounts with random titles, tags, and descriptions. Camouflage your bookmarks to make them appear natural. Crawl URLs and RSS feeds for easy bookmarking. Ping your social profiles and other web pages for faster indexation. Perform faster with multi-threading. Use the scheduler for drip bookmarking. Verify your email automatically. Use random proxy servers. Still not convinced? Sign up and gain access to our exclusive training videos to see what other amazing things Bookmarking Demon can do for you. With Bookmarking Demon, you can stop wasting your time bookmarking manually and make more sales. Now you will have more time doing what you enjoy. Get a copy of Bookmarking Demon today.